Stop wasting time on repetitive tasks and unlock the true power of your automated workflows. Today, we're diving deep into optimizing your Zapier setups for sending automatic emails and updating Excel spreadsheets, ensuring maximum efficiency and minimal errors. Our first optimization technique, smart filtering before your email even gets sent or your Excel sheet is updated. Use Zapier's filter steps to ensure only relevant data triggers the action. For instance, only send an email if a specific keyword is present in a new form submission. This prevents unnecessary emails and keeps your data clean. Next, let's talk about data mapping when configuring your email action. Go beyond simple text. Utilize Zapier's dynamic field mapping to pull information directly from your trigger app. For example, instead of a generic, "Hi," your email can automatically say, "Hi customer name." By pulling that data from your trigger, this makes your automated emails feel personalized and professional. For Excel updates, precision is key when setting up your update spreadsheet row or create spreadsheet row action. Carefully map your trigger fields to the correct Excel columns. Avoid manual entry errors by ensuring Zapier is consistently sending the right data to the right place. Finally, consider the delay action if your process involves multiple steps, or you need to wait for a certain amount of time before sending an email or updating Excel. A judiciously placed delay can prevent data conflicts and ensure information is processed in the correct order. This is crucial for complex multi-step automations. By implementing these optimization strategies, smart filtering, precise data mapping, and strategic use of delays, you'll significantly boost the performance of your Zapier workflows, saving you valuable time and reducing costly mistakes. Start optimizing today and experience the true power of automation.